Hello, I have a problem with Android Studio Image Asset. It is shaking heavily. If you know how to fix, please let me know. I already tried and uninstall Android Studio and install it again, but that doesn't resolve this issue. I am using Windows 10 64-bit. Please, if you know how to fix this issue, let me know in the comment below. In the meanwhile, you can continue and learn how to change your application launcher icon. By the way, it is only shaking when I select launcher icons adaptive and legacy. Also, it is shaking when XHDPI is selected. I know it is weird, isn't it? If you have come across this issue or know how to fix, please let me know. How did you manage to fix it? Voila! New application launcher icon is set, but the shaking is really bothering me. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.